Yeah, Mr. B went to my room because I think he saw my post that I couldn't sleep. Someone is thinking of me and someone by my side just farted. Oh my gosh.
Fit. Hi, Lie.
Yeah, and then he went to my room and he gave me NyQuil.
To all the Peculian family.
That's all. I slept
So she
after
can
that.
Don't speak Tagalog, ah.
You see? You hear that, Mommy Cans? Mrs. B told, Miss B told Mr. B,
I think I don't-
go to the room.
I'll
last
try.
night.
Then,
The croissant. I'm gonna try the
They
croissant.
eat croissant.
Alright, so...
AJ, gusto niyo?
You hear the
Batiklaw?
you hear right?
Oh, the croissant is fantastic.
Yes. It's fantastic.
Yeah, of course.
Fantastic.
I like
Wanna
it.
try?
Whoa, fantastic,
Yeah,
baby.
it's so crusty. The crusty is so good. It's
I
so
wanna
perfect.
dance.
The way they bake it, oh my god.
I just
so
a little.
love.
Wow, look at that. Look at the texture of that.
Look at the texture. It's so flaky.
Oh my God, the
gosh.
croissant is so very nice.
Yeah. This is so much. I think I love it. Hey, don't
I'm
put
so-
your...
I'm sorry.
Because the sand might
Oh,
fall
oh,
here
you're
in
right.
the croissant.
I am so sorry. Would
Yeah.
you guys like some fantastic croissant?
Would you like croissant?
I'd like,
Would
yes.
you call him?
Birds.
Hey.
Hands
So
up.
how's the croissant?
Very nice.
Can you speak English?
How
Very-
nice it is.
What? It's delicious and very nice. I like it.